Alright everyone, today you will land a bar spin. Let's do it everyone. Alright everyone, so first step to a bar spin to actually begin this is figure out which way you actually stand. So in scootering, there's two main positions. There's regular and goofy. Now that you know which position you're actually standing in, for this video, we will be doing it regular. If you ride goofy, it's super simple. You simply reverse everything. Now, if you are standing regular, let's figure out how are you supposed to actually spin the bar spins. So, you're going to begin with your right hand. You're going to remove your left hand. You're going to spin it clockwise. Once you're into this position, you're going to take your left hand, come around, catch. With your right hand, you are going to twist it, and you're going to finish the rotation with your left hand. And then with this hand, it's like you're like flipping a pancake, if that makes any sense. You're going to flip a pancake, put it back on it, and that's all. Now I'm just going to do it without talking, so you guys can just simply scroll through the video and watch what is happening. So, like that. Now, if you want to practice that a lot of times, simply put your foot on the brake, spin it, spin it, spin it.
A few moments later.
Over and over till you have the motion very, very comfortable. Now, next step. Now, of course, with every single trick, you obviously require a bunny hop. With bar spin, it's going to be a little bit weird because you're going to be hopping, and at the same time, you're going to have to spin your bars. And I know that a lot of people, when they do bunny hops, they pull with their bars, but trust me, it's going to be all a one flow motion when you do it. But first off, you need a decent bunny hop like this one. All right, now that you have a decent bunny hop and you actually understand the bar spin motion, there's not much else to actually add onto it except it's simply full sending it. You just got to full send. You do your bunny hop, and throughout it, you just spin your bars. Make sure to do a rotation that I said, because if you do throw bars, it's a different trick. It's a little bit more sketchy, I personally think so, and as a beginner, you should really try to keep at least one hand on the bars, because I know that you can be scared letting go of a hand, so trust me, always keep a hand on the bar spin, do the rotation that I did, and it's going to give you this result. So that's all for a bar spin. Two important parts are the bar spin rotation. Trust me, just practice this over and over. You can obviously get a decent hop. Obviously with any trick, the more air you get, the easier it is to land it. Anyway, that's all for today's video everyone. I hope this tutorial helps you. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, feel free to check out my other videos everyone. Thank you for watching.